Owning your home offers you great freedom. You don't have to knuckle under to the rules of some landlord. You can do pretty much what you want with your property, but there are some responsibilities. So I figured I would take this occasion on this Wednesday when it's snowing to do our real estate table talk outside. Just remind you that the sidewalks in your neighborhood in front of your house, you need to take care of that. You need to either shovel or snow blow these sidewalks. And the reason is, there might be ordinances in your town that require that, but it's just being a good neighbor. People still need to walk past your home. You don't want them slipping on the ice. If they do that, they could sue you. You definitely don't want that to happen. But I would caution you that if you're going to move the snow off the sidewalk, use a shovel or a snow blower. With a heavy wet snow like this, a shovel could really overexert your heart. You don't want that. And you could also hurt your back because the snow's so heavy. Snowblower would be better, but if we're going to get a lot of snow throughout the day, maybe it would just be best if every couple of hours you went out and maybe shoveled a path for your neighbors to walk past. It's just a good neighborly thing to do. Then maybe throw some rock salt around. What that will do is keep the ice from forming and maybe keep people from slipping. But if you're walking your dog through the neighborhood, boy, put some booties on them because that rock salt can get in their pads. There's one other thing I want you to know about. This pertains to your home, and it has to do with your downspouts. I had this happen to me last year. We had heavy snow, and then the water got lodged into the downspouts. So all I did was I took a hammer, just tapped it a little bit, and all the ice that had built up in here fell off. That way, when the water drains from the roof, it doesn't get clogged in here and then back up in your gutters and then cause other problems, particularly around the fascia and the foundation when it eventually melts. It could just alleviate a whole lot of trouble just using a simple hammer. So make sure your driveway and your sidewalks are clear, and just watch your downspouts. Make sure that they're not clogged with ice. Other than that, enjoy your home ownership and enjoy time with your family. And I'll talk to you next time.